Nick Hutchinson here with MarineMax Clearwater, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on a 320 Vantage, which is an amazingly versatile boat that does everything very well. Whether you're fishing or swimming, you've got easy access to the rear platform with an easy walkthrough. If your primary goal of the day is fishing, you've got plenty of amenities to support that, from the bait box to the fish box to the multiple rod holders all over the boat, including the rear. And even at the rear, we've got a seat that folds up into a knee bolster. And if your primary motivation of the day is leisure, you can convert everything in the back to lounge chairs, as well as converting the entire front into one big lounger with the insert that's easily removable. And if you need to get out of the sun for a little bit, you've got a decent sized cabin here that you can come relax in. And on the starboard side, we've got a full head with shower using fresh water, so at the end of your day at the beach you can rinse off. And with features like joystick piloting, electronic throttles, electronic steering wheel, and power trim tabs, as well as even a power captain seat, you'll be comfortable getting to and from your location for the day. No matter what you're looking for, 320 Vantage is the perfect solution.